We're back on the air. Hi, everybody. How you doing? A little behind here, trying to keep up with everything. Welcome back to the channel here. Stock Markets with Bruce. Stock Markets in plain English. Welcome from around the world. Cheers to everybody with everything. Welcome back. Let me mute that. We are watching the market. We're down a bit. We've been worse, but we're down. And we're watching what some of our stocks are going to be doing in the middle of it all. Thank you all for already hitting the thumbs up button. The minute you come in here, you nail the thumbs up button. You tell me what number you are. Thank you guys so much. Giving the show a bit of momentum to start with. I love you. We're off 405 on the Dow Jones right now. And the low of the day was 32,449. We're at 32,588. So 138 points better than what it was. Yeah, right. A 500-point drop this morning, today already. Again, with the almost 1,000-point drop on Friday. So this market is in reverse. It's trying a little rally right now. And again, this has been the pattern all day. We drop 100, we come back 50. We drop 75, we go up 100, we drop 50, we go up 150, we go down 200. We're everywhere. And this market is really choppy, very unsure of itself, and is getting is just going through a roller coaster ride, one after the other after the other. That is what is exactly happening. We've got ATIP up a penny throughout all of this. It's at 169. The Twitter stock is up 55 cents to 49.57. The Rocket Lab is down 3 cents, but trying to come back on. SoFi is up 11, 622, hasn't hit a new low of the day yet. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong on this. Oh no, it did hit the new low of the day. That was first thing this morning. Pardon me, 601. That was the low of all time this morning. We're at 622 now with a high today of 633 so far. 33.4 million traded. Still quiet compared to what it can do, but it might do 40 million today. We'll see. GameStop 115 right now, down $10. Low of the day on GameStop 112.94. My gut tells me some of you might have bought back options today. Some of you have written options, either day trading options, or you've bought back calls that you put stink bids on. We reached that low of 112.70. I believe that was the 10% drop that puts the stock now on a 10% short sale restricted rule. In other words, because the stock dropped 10% during the day today, during market hours, short sellers cannot just sell the stock by hitting bids. They can only short stock if they get what's known as an uptick. It's the old uptick rule that is now kicked in, and what that means is, like the market right now is 115.24 last trade. If I came in right now to short stock, I can't just sell it into the market and get what I can get for it. I have to offer it higher than 115.24, at least a penny higher. If I come in now and the last trade is 115.28, I now want to sell stock short. I have to offer it at 115.29. This restricts shorters from just being able to hit bids to get stock off. They have to offer stock and let buyers come and get it. That retards the ability of a shorter to sell hard, fast into a market and cause damage on purpose. If I'm a shorter, look, I have no support for the stock in mind. I want the stock to go down if I'm shorting it, because I want it to go lower, so I buy it back at a lower price. So if I can come in with 100,000 shares for sale and offer them at 115.10 and let them nibble away on me, but every once in a while I come in with a little bit of a 10,000 share order at market and just knock it back to 115, let it come back to 115.10 and nibble at me a little more, and then I hit it again for another separate 10,000 share order again at market. I keep the buyers going, whoa, why is this wall of selling here? What's going on? They don't know. I might use 3 or 4 different brokerage firms to do all these trades and just whack the market relentlessly to get off stock and not let it go higher. With the restrictions in place now, I can only put the offer out there. I can't hit bids. I can lower my offer if the shares trade below 115.24. They trade at 115.22. I can move my order to 115.23. If they trade at 115.20, I can go to 115.21. You trade at 115.10, I can go down to 115.11 and offer as many as I want at 115.11, because any stocks that trade there is a tick higher, an uptick from 115.10. So short sellers can still sell this stock short, just not as aggressively, which tells me that it's possible that these shares, which have hit 112.70, might stage a little rally today and tomorrow, only because the short sale restriction rule is in place for the balance of the day today and all day tomorrow. Shares can still drop in value. Of course they can, but they could also pop back to 120.25, 130 by tomorrow afternoon, before Wednesday, when the short sale restriction is off and anyone can whack that stock if they so wish to do so. We'll see. We'll see how this all plays out. Okay, there you have it. Uncle Bruce, I hope you got that PayPal donation. I did, sir. I brought back my Gamestop May 13 140s for $255. That's a 75% gain in less than 3 trading days. Thank you for your guidance and help. You got it, buddy. Another winner chicken dinner. Anyone else making money out there? Let me know. Way to go, man. I love it. I love it when you guys make money. 115.64 at the moment on the stock. It's coming up just a little bit here. Nothing incredible, but it is inching higher. Keep in mind that also the market is only down 298 versus 500 points. And so the mentality and the sentimentality is a little better. This market is looking for a bottom, short-term, some kind of bottom. Even if it's a dead cat bounce bottom, it could be that the market pops up a few hundred points on a bit of a recovery. We might settle out today within 100 points of break even when it's all said and done. And then we may start with a little run tomorrow morning, a little up run that might last half the day, a few hours. One never knows. 116.17 on GameStop now, down $8.90 a share. So it's definitely got a little bit of a move up coming. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for these thumbs ups. DQ, Nicholas, Duncan, not your daddy's doobie. Thank you, Wing Commander. All of you who are hitting that thumbs up button, thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Welcome back to the party, guys. We're still down 229 on the Dow. 27 points lower on S&P. The NASDAQ has turned green. It's up 8.7. It's not an across-the-board, everything get out market. So that's a good sign to see a mix like this. See how this plays out. We're up 11 now on NASDAQ. Oil has turned around as well. It was down to 100, 101 this morning. It's now 105 a barrel, up 41 cents. It's a little better off. Kent saying hello. Hello there. Malo is number 68. Thank you very much for that thumbs up number. And SoFi, yes, 626. It's coming back on. Who cares about those stinky bonds? I sold a May 20 GameStop 130 call for $8.79 early today. Should I buy it back now for a healthy $2.80 profit, or hold on for another $2.3 due to time decay? You've got a 130 call. You got a 117 market. That stock is going to have to really take a run. Mind you, you're $13. It's capable of a run. Don't be surprised though that in the next hour we will fluctuate again on GameStop. It's not like a straight up shot here. So I wouldn't worry about it. I mean, you could buy it up and lock it off and then wait for later this after tomorrow morning to rewrite. There's nothing wrong with that strategy. You want to do that. A profit is a profit, but it's capable here, having gotten to 117.20, that it could pop back down to 116 again, 115.80 for a little bit, giving you perhaps an even bigger little, another little gain here. Just monitor it closely. The volume has to be heavy for anyone to worry about it. We've traded 2 million shares today. That is not heavy volume. It certainly looks better at 117.02 than it did at 112.75. I mean, it's come back. But it isn't going to just do a straight up shot because of a short sale restriction. Everything helps, but everything has to be reasonable. We'll see. The market right now, the Dow's down 175. Recovery continues. at the moment on the Dow. That is unsustainable long term. Could be a lot of technical, a lot of day trading frenzy going on, maybe. Maybe not. The Dow can give up 100 from here in no time. We've kind of moved up nicely, like 200 or 300 points here pretty quick, and that's too much too soon, but we'll see what's going on. We're still looking at United Health and American Express leading the downside, they say, on the markets. Duncan, good morning to you. I don't think it's morning anymore. Toto Africa says, Duncan, okay. Market going green now, says Bama Babe. I missed the rains, says 99 Nation Videos. ATIP up a nickel, now sitting at 168.5. The Dow down 146. Twitter up 54. Rocket Lab has gone green +3. SoFi 626 up 14. Gamestop sitting at 177, 117.33. Now 117.33 to 36. Carvana up $1.12. AMC still down 37 cents. It's recovered a bit from its low. It's at 14.93, still way down here. Matterport is green up a quarter at a 5.98. Sextera down 44 cents. ME is up 2.5 at 301. Spire up 6 to 172. Haycroft Mining down 11 cents to 129.5. Continued backing up. Smart Rent 476.5 down 9.5 cents. That's improved. Pfizer is still down $1.01. Hewlett Packard down 23 to 36.40. That's come back a bit though. Robinhood 10.35 up 55 cents. Vanek Vectors SMH up 268 on a bit of a surge. Home Depot popping a bit at up $3. Texas Instruments 171.28 was sitting at 168 about half an hour ago. IBM up a dime at 132 on an up move. Microsoft has gone higher, up 4 to 281, but I think 285 is resistance for contract writing. That's where you can probably write calls easily. Apple down $2, excuse me, 155. We're as low today as 153. Little upsurge there. And Goldman up 363 at 309. Cisco 49.50 up 52 cents. Facebook up 639. Amazon down $49. Tesla up $14. Google up $20. Tesla made an announcement that they're delaying their filing of their proxy for their annual meeting. It'll come out. They say there's technical issues. Yeah, I suspect it's how many shares Mr. Musk has in his reporting. That might be the problem. They need to iron out his filings to get them straightened out before they report to their shareholders. That might be the problem. I don't know. Could be also some news out of China that they have to disseminate. They may have to be a little more forthcoming with how bad it's going in Shanghai right now. I kind of wonder if that's an issue for the company. We'll wait for that, obviously. We'll see what happens. I'll let you know. ATIP up only half a penny now, 168.5. Dow is up down 138. We may have topped out here. GameStop 116.99. It's backed up already 30-40 cents here from this 117.30 range. We might have a little pullback here because we've had a nice little pop. We're watching this closely. The Dow, excuse me, we now have 44 minutes to go. And right now the Dow showing 128 as a loss, which is better, but it seems to be slowing down. S&P down 17, the Nasdaq up 53, now only up 49. 116.85 on GameStop. Okay. All right. What else? Thank you, everybody. Yeah, here's the confirmation. Class is back in session this Saturday. Yep, that's correct. The announcement has been made. I posted a community tab for everybody. Let you know we're up for Saturday. This Saturday, 2:00 Eastern. Live class will be had, and you're welcome to join us. Just follow the instructions on your announcement there, and you're good to go. Love to have you come in. That'll be great. This is the last week for the 4 for 3 deal. This is it. That will run out as well. Just let me know what 4 classes you want after you make your donation. for your four for 3 deal. Okay, that is where we're at, guys. We've been watching a really volatile day today, all over the place. I also will note that for example, interest rates, we have right now a 10-year U.S. note, 3.006%. We have broken the 3% barrier on the 10-year Treasury. This is the second time today. The German 10-year is now 0.97, approaching 1%. And so we have interest rates moving up over there. We also have currencies continuing to fall. The euro is now at 105 even. The pound is down to 124.83, under 125 yet again. So currencies are dropping off. Interest rates are rising again because the Fed this Wednesday will raise rates. And the thinking is the rates will be raised by a minimum 0.5 point. We'll see if there's even more to that or not, and what kind of trajectory they're thinking of. Are they thinking of an even faster run-up? They might be doing that too. We'll see. I'll cover it. We'll let you know, and we'll try to interpret how the market's reacting to it, period. Option Nomads, number 83 thumbs ups. Thank you guys for the thumbs ups. Appreciate these. Keep them coming in. We have 188 of you here. There's a poll question waiting for you. The poll question is here. It is, will the Dow index lose more than 500 points today? 89 of you have voted so far. 65% are saying yes. The Dow is going to lose more than 500 points when it's all said and done today. Well, right now we're down 124. We were down 500 a little while ago. Will it back up and give up these gains? Was this entire run-up a computer trading program, and is it now going to slump off again? We're going to find out. 34% say no, we're not going to go below 500 points today, Bruce. We're going to hold. The Dow will lose maybe, but not 500. Give us your opinion on that. Let us know what you think about that poll question. You think we're going to have 500 points or not? Let me know. We have 140 points now dropped on the Dow at the moment, so we're running into a little more selling again from 120 to 140, 145. Looks like we're down 145. Okay, GameStop 118.38, another uptick. However, a little uptick again. It's still down 669 on GameStop today. So we've run into some stock here. Well, not heavy volume. We've just run into selling earlier when we bottomed out at 112.75, and the markets were just looking little dead cat bounce. Maybe. Well, maybe we're up again. Look at the Dow, down 95. Another little 50-point uptick. This has got to be computer-led buying. This is algorithmic buying by computer programs that are just sensing there's a momentum shift going on, and they're piling into the top 30 Dow stocks, probably definitely the stocks that have the most uptick activity right now. They're being piled into for a little bit of a pop. We're down 74 on the Dow right now. Okay. I'm struggling to gamble on a half a Starbucks share. What would you say? What would you all say? Was there a lot of coffee sold in the last 3 months or not? Starbucks has all kinds of issues, including unionization, the fact that the former chairman has come back in, Schultz, to run it again. This is, I think, his third time now. He can't let it go. He just can't let it go. That's the problem with Starbucks. Starbucks cannot change management and go any kind of direction without Schultz wanting back in, and that's not good. That is not good for the stock long run. Sorry to say. He's got to walk away. It's time to turn it over. Mr. T, hey, Uncle Bruce, thank you again for giving us the gift that keeps on giving. I made $620 in profit this morning on buying back 2 GameStop contracts. Beautiful job. Love this. Pat Markley, anything good coming up with SoFi? Earnings 8 days from now. Next week, Tuesday, earnings. Yeah, we're looking forward to that. DH Ruda, number 96. Thanks, buddy. Nation, come on, SoFi, make me feel like I could sport a mullet and sing Time of My Life again without fear. Oh no, Nicholas Splair, you don't want to know how much coffee I bought. You just want to know, Michael. You can watch Rocket Lab try to catch a booster with a helicopter today on YouTube. By the way, well, how about that? Splair says when you buy coffee at coffee stores, you still do much better. Out of 250-gram beans for €8, I can make for sure 20 coffees. A tall and ready coffee instead costs their €5 a cup. Here you go, €8. You get 20 cups for €8. That's okay money. Yes, that's definitely better. Interesting. um, yeah, well, we'll see what's going on. All right, let's see. Thank you everybody for popping in here. We're still down 53 on the Dow, but only 53. Interestingly, we have recovered almost all of S&P's losses, down 4.5 points. The Nasdaq's up 85 points right now, so we've got a turnaround here. I just don't know how much oomph it's going to have, but there has been a turnaround. GameStop back to 120, 107. Go figure, a little $9 run on this market. So there has been serious computer trading going on all over the place here. GameStop volume has only had 140,000 trade in the last 30 minutes. It's not been a heavy surge of buying. It's just there's just folks who are going, well, maybe I won't sell right now, and it's working. But we'll see how long it lasts. We're down 37 on the Dow instead of 500. But we are a long way from recovering Friday's loss of 1,000 points. So here we are. These markets, the more volatile they get, the crazier they are. If you're an option writer, you want to look at the GameStop maybe topping out in this low 120s neighborhood here. Maybe 120, 122 is all this stock's going to have. And maybe you're writing a call all over again on GameStop. Down 415 at the moment, 120.92. We'll see. The Dow right now down 48 points. S&P down only 1.9 now, and the Nasdaq up 96. So, well, let's see what let's see what's going on. All righty. What else? Yeah, writing on GameStop again, or wait, decisions. Exactly what I'm saying, Kent. It's exactly what I'm saying. Just watching that stock, 120.97. If it wants to pop another couple of bucks, it might even give up $5 or $6 between now and the close. Not saying it will, but what goes up too quick can come back down a little bit. We're right now down 40 on the Dow. We haven't yet broken down there. We're down 0.89 on S&P, I think. Hang on a second here. Down 1.1 on S&P. We're down 40 on the Dow. We're up 101 on NASDAQ. Here we go. Dow's now only down 21, a little more of a climb coming on the Dow. As long as these computer programs keep kicking in buy orders, you just get ready to pull the trigger, you assassins, you. 130s for this Friday, 125s for this Friday, 130s for next Friday, 130s for the Friday after that, giving you a bigger premium, whatever the contracts want to give you. Keep an eye on just how it performs. Right now, 120.82, 120.77. The Dow is down 8. We're trying to go positive on the Dow. We're about to go positive now on S&P. We are green on S&P. The Dow down 11. We're right at the line. 111-point gain on NASDAQ. GameStop 120.77, 120.38, somewhere in that range right now. It's jumping around. Adventure Duncan Kent, Superman. Splair. So, Nicholas, you go for the extra break spending money. At least it's a win-win situation somehow. Pick home, you also have to give those gamblers time to buy an options contract. That's true. 120.02, 120.77. Let's see if this wants to get any more oomph. The Dow now down from 33 to 52. We're negative 52 on the Dow. So a little pullback here. We'll see if this has any more upward legs, or have we maxed out already? Down 52 on the Dow right now. As we speak. 120.05 on GameStop. Fear of missing out is real, says Pickcomb. 99 Nation, why is the market acting like a creeper with a candy van right now? Why is it doing it? Nicholas Blair, I go for a break to log on company expense. Thank you for the 104th thumbs up. Sell my house fast in Upper Marlboro. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. 120, 28, what? 1970 on GameStop. I'm just giving up a little bit of ground here. We're still on the Dow, though. We're only down 15. We've got a little buy wave again. We may not yet be done with this algorithmic thing going on. Down 18 on the Dow, up 1 point on S&P, 1.5, up 112 on NASDAQ. Treasury to pay down $26 billion in debt in the second quarter. That's an interesting comment. To pay down debt in the second quarter. Those comments we don't get very often. Interesting. Let me take a look at this little comment here. The Treasury Department said it expects to pay down $26 billion in debt in the second quarter. The announcement was unexpected. 3 months ago, the department said it would have to borrow $66 billion in April, June. An unexpected increase in revenue allows the government to pay down its debt this quarter, the department said. The updated forecast includes an end-of-the-quarter cash balance of $800 billion. Borrowing is routinely less in the April-June quarter because of mid-April decline for individual, or the deadline for individual taxpayers to file their returns. Looking ahead, the Treasury says it expects to borrow $182 billion in net marketable debt in the third quarter with a cash balance of $650. In January, March, Treasury said it borrowed $668 billion, ended with a cash balance of $652. This was lower than the previous estimate of $729, which included a cash balance of $650 billion. Decrease was due to increase in receipts and a decline in expenditures. Okay, there you have it. So interesting. The people of the United States of America are paying back some $26 billion in debt because they can. Those Americans are fantastic. Great credit risk. They're wonderful. Absolutely a wonderful group to lend to. They pay their bills. The 10-year is just a 299.6, just under 3% right there. Okay. We'll see what happens. Okay. What else? We're at the Dow right now. Timothy, thank you. TJ, thanks, pal. I think that's Mr. T. Appreciate that. PayPal donation, thank you. The Dow down 15 points. GameStop 119.58. Might be looking a little stronger. We'll see. The Dow, okay. S&P is negative, no plus. Okay, the Dow's up. The Dow is up 26 points. We're wavering here. We're up 26 points on the Dow. We're up 3 on S&P. We're up 114 on NASDAQ. The market has turned green on the Dow. Cheers, everybody. Oh, excuse me. All right, the Dow's up 36 points, 46 points right now. S&P up 9, NASDAQ at 134. GameStop 120, going green again. GameStop might take a bit of a run here if this is going to have some oomph to it. We're up a penny on ATIP. We're up 38 on Twitter. We're up 7 on Rocket Lab. We've gone green. SoFi's up 16 to 628, holding the green. GameStop 119.96 to 120. Carvana up 185. AMC down 21 cents. Matterport up 27 cents to $6. Cyxtera down 39 cents. ME is up 3 cents to 302. Spire up 7.5 to 173.5. Smart Rent only down 9 cents to 477. Was as low as 458. We've come back to 477 over there on Smart Rent. Pfizer is coming back on. It's down 74 cents. It's still at 48.34. Low of the day, 47.46. Almost a $1 recovery on Pfizer. Hewlett Packard is green. It's up 19 cents to 36.82. The low today, 36.01. It's trading at 6.6 times earnings. Hewlett Packard, 6.6 times PE multiple. Bargain. Money maker, buying back their stock, increasing their dividend. Buffett is in. All right. Robinhood is up 58 cents to 10.38. Vanek is up 466. Home Depot up 551. Texas is at 172.84. Texas Instruments up 259. IBM up 79 cents. Microsoft up 631. Apple only down 69 cents. Now Goldman up 495 to 310. Cisco up 82 cents. Facebook up 938. So we have some green going in here. The Dow is up 55. Was down around 500 a little over an hour ago. We're up 8 on S&P, and the NASDAQ seems to be ahead by 139 points. So we've got more money coming in, bargain hunting coming in on this wave of dollars coming in here, and that is what's going on. All right. What else? I just bought back 10 SoFi 6.5 cash secured puts for this Friday for 38 cents. I sold it for 78 cents. I'll be opening another cash secured for 6 tomorrow. Keep it moving, SoFi. What else? Up and down and up and down, says Nicholas. That's it. This is the market right now. The psychology is simple. We were down 500 points today. We were down 1,000 on Friday. That's 1,500 points in a 30-hour time frame of trading. Forget Saturday and Sunday. Kick that out of there. Oversold. Too oversold too fast. And so bargain hunters came in and started picking off with their computer programs, started picking off the stocks that were really thinly traded and were down on light volume. And boom, we got a 72-point gain on the Dow right now. 72-point gain. That's 570-point turnaround in an hour and a half. We're up 13 on S&P. We're up 145 on NASDAQ. Could we end in the red today? Yes. We could still lose 250 points. But at the moment, we've had this little lift. Gamestop had a lift from 112.70 to about 121. Now it's sitting at 119.88. And maybe that's where it should be, down $5 on the day. Maybe 112 was too low. 125 is too high. Maybe 119 is where it should be. We'll see how it wants to perform this next hour and tomorrow morning on the opening. SoFi, 629, up 17 cents. High today, 633 on 36 million shares. So definitely improving here, holding its own. Not the culprit. It's just kind of going with the flow, whatever it's doing. All righty. Beach Boy. Oh, hi, Uncle Bruce. I wrote 24 May 2130s for 705, and I entered a bid to buy back tonight at 505. Right on. So the 130s for 705 for May 20. Right on. All right. Let's see if they come back down again. Why not? Quick $2. Something wrong with that? Nope. Nothing wrong with that at all. 119.81 at the moment. If we get a late sell-off in the Dow, the profit taking runs out of gas and there's some trepidation going into the close, GameStop could drop $3 or $4 to 115. It could easily do that. We'll see here. Okay. Man, what a day. The Credit Savage saying, dealing with the kids by myself since the wife went into the office. Once they relaxed, I've been able to trade. Great feeling seeing my ask to be the max and my bid to be the low of the day. Right on. Snake bids and stink offers. Well done, everybody. 119.47 on GameStop, down 560 on the session right here. The Dow right now is up 74.95. Now it's up 53. A little bit of selling coming in. We're up 13 on S&P, and we're up 142 on the NASDAQ. It would appear. Let's see. Watching all kinds of stuff here. Okay. Dow up 86. A little pop again. Again, another little pop higher. We're jumping everywhere. Okay. Okay, up 68 now on the Dow. SoFi 628, up 16 cents. GameStop 119.47 to 119.77, jumping about. Out and about. What's your lowest threshold you can envision the NASDAQ dropping to? 10,000 less or whatever? Well, we haven't really had a major, we've had a sell-off. We're in correction territory. We're at, 20% from the NASDAQ? Depending on how deep the troubles are in China, because this is the unknown. It's not like China was overextended and over everything. Although domestically they've been really building it out. They got an artificial uh, issue that they're dealing with, like we all are. The pandemic, the virus. This is all virus related. I don't care how you want to cut to the quick. I mean, there's interest rates and inflation and everything else, but it's all virus. It comes all back to one thing. One thing. Not everyone got the shot. Boom. There it is. Not everybody got the shot, which meant that we as a species didn't protect ourselves to the maximum we could have. And so now we're getting nailed. And there's all these issues. Look at the Dow. We're down half a point now. Gone red again. So there you go, 118.92 on Gamestop. We've just dropped again. So we got this non-man-made enemy, or a non-human enemy. Let's put it an alien, and we're not dealing with it as a species, in a unified front, because we have differences everywhere between us, but whether it's religious, political, expansion, military expansion, what have you. The haves, the have-nots, it is what it is. That's the planet we're on. So we are being divided and conquered by the virus. The virus is winning and we're losing. And you could say, but the numbers are down. You could say that, yeah, but it hasn't gone away, has it? And the effects are still lingering on our economy. And our stock market seems to want to price itself to perfection all the time. It just wants to price itself to perfection. Gamblers in the market are looking for that. Well, 6 months from now will be normal again. It'll be great. And we can't find that day. We can't yet believe that 3 months from now, 6 months from now, 9 months from now, it'll be just like it was in 2019. I don't think it's going to be doing it for another 2 years. I think we have 2 more years of crap that we're going to deal with fluctuating markets, volatile trading sessions, great opportunities for option writers to just score all kinds of money as we try to figure out where we're going. It's just going to be nuts. Boo Markets Boo says, not your daddy's DP. Let's see. Zach, I'm here for number 120. I'm popping in quickly. Hope everybody had a nice weekend. See you all on replay. Thank you, Zach. Credit sandwich. My stink bids hit again, this time for some 150 puts on Apple. Uncle Bruce, something tells me this China issue is going to get ugly, and this pop will be short-lived. 5 puts for 520, and I got them for 278 premium. Right on, buddy. Way to go. Lots and lots and lots going on here. Yes, I was right, Credit Savage. Apple is not coming down. This gambler is not really a gambler, but an educated simpleton from the Uncle Bruce University who took the time to watch some put Uncle Bruce classes this weekend. Bingo. There you go. There you go. Instant payoff for your classes right there. They just pay for themselves so quickly, don't they? I love it when it works. I really am. I'm excited for you guys. We're up a penny on ATIP. Dow is up 3.5 points. That's it. We got 20 minutes to go. We're only up 3.5. We have the S&P up 5. We have NASDAQ at 123. GameStop at 119, 118.81, somewhere in that neighborhood. Twitter 4902 unchanged. Rocket Lab up 4. SoFi up 14 to 626. AMC down 31. Matterport up 24. ME up 5.5. Spire up 7.5. Smart Rent down 7.5. Pfizer down 81. Watching a lot of the Dows and the S&Ps are higher. Home Depot, Texas Instrument up 245. IBM is up. Microsoft is up. Apple's still down 68 cents. Goldman's up 5. Cisco's up 76. Facebook up $9, 209. That is getting close to short territory. Facebook at 210, 215. You got to write calls on that. But can't account for taste. We're down 24 on the Amazon, better than down 100. Tesla up 21 at 892. Google up $38. Selling into strength is the secret, I think, because there is no serious upside. Not serious. We have 500 points of fluctuation all the time now. We're going to get used to this. We're up 45 on the Dow, up 9 S&P. We're up 131 on NASDAQ. GameStop 118.80 right at the moment. Okay. Excuse me. What else? H. Gregory. So, Uncle Bruce, should I write 160 calls for Apple, or should I wait? Apple, let's look at the stock again. It is 157.32. If the premiums are coming up and you can write calls for not this Friday, but next Friday or the Friday after, I'd be looking at those. I'd be definitely looking at those if you can get some good premiums on them. Yes. Let's see. Options. I watched the class on puts last weekend too. Haven't worked up the courage to write any yet, though. It's not a race. It's just whenever you see it. What can I say? I would not be playing too much in the long game. I'd be really playing the short game, and that would be writing calls to buy them back and writing out of the money calls. Nothing but premiums. That's all you want. You don't want to write anything in the money. Stay ahead of the market on those things. Go further out, but get your hands on premiums. Option Nomad says, Credit Savage, do what you do when you're comfortable. Sell in the strength and buy puts during fast run-ups. There you go. Excuse me. Coming back to this market right now, the Dow is ahead only 32 points. We have 17 minutes to go. SoFi 628, GameStop 118.80. We tried to get to 119, but we're back at 118.80 on GameStop, down 627 right now at the moment. Yeah, okay, that's what's going on. Right on. Okay. Yeah, Adventure Duncan. Apple is down 10.6%. That's $18 in 3 months. Yep, that's right. That is serious stuff, man. Serious dough. The Dow now negative 40. The Dow is negative 40 points. The turnaround has taken place here in the last 5 minutes. Negative 40 on the Dow. S&P is up a point. NASDAQ up 118. They've all three backed up here. We're negative 40 on the Dow Jones right now. Now 47 on the negative side. GameStop 118.48, just dropped another 30-40 cents. So now it's coming down. All right. Here we go. Kent, Uncle Bruce, I have 900 SoFi. Knowing my tolerance level, should I look to write on them? I'm thinking no, but yeah, I wouldn't write on them right now, Kent, because 8 days from now, earnings. Between now and 8 days from now, we may start getting the odd vlogger, analyst already upping their guesses on the results. This has happened. This has happened a couple of times in the last 6 months. So I would not be writing calls on SoFi at all. I'd just be sitting on the sidelines and wait to let them speak, and then after that, we'll see how it does. Yeah. All righty. Credit Savage, Apple's about to be down $20 in a month once the 50 basis points gets put in and we're priced in. That's coming on Wednesday. True. Last minute trapdoor. GameStop 118.73. The Dow down 34. Let's see. Keep an eye on the sell-off. Kent, got it. Thank you. All right. Pitcomb, just buy the stock, says Pitcomb. There you are on SoFi. Yep. 37-point drop on the Dow. We are 1 point higher on S&P, just a little over 1.5 points up on the S&P. We have 14 minutes to go. We're just barely hanging around here. NASDAQ up 113. GameStop 118.79 at the moment, faltering from this 121 topping out. We're backing up just enough. Just a bit. Down 10 points on the Dow. Another little potential rally. Now it's down. Not sure. Now it's up 28. So the Dow has gone positive again after going negative. These are, I am certain, computer algorithmic trading programs coming in, going out, positive, negative, as we are just flatlining now to close it out. That's my guess. 12 minutes, 14 minutes to go, 13 minutes to go, but we still have 200 points of volatility around, if possibly, but I don't know if we'll see it, but this is a very unstable market right now with a lot of questions. Just like you guys asking me, everyone's asking everybody else. A lot of uncertainty here. Okay. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I do know this. 2 weeks from today, I'm broadcasting to you from the UK out of London. That much I do know. If everything works out the way it should, we'll be in London in 2 weeks, and we'll be saying hi to you from there. Thank you all for popping in today. We're up 35 on the Dow right now. SoFi 628 up 16. GameStop 118.80. Just doesn't seem to be catching a big wave of buying coming in here. Doesn't seem to be happening. 118.80, 118.88. Okay. All right. Just a ton of stuff to watch simultaneously. Up 46 now. 46-point gain on the Dow. 10 points now on S&P. Another buy wave has kicked in. We're up 12 on S&P. We're up 47 on the Dow. And NASDAQ is up 146 points. NASDAQ is the leader. It's up 1.19%, where the Dow's only up 0.14 and the S&P 0.3. They're not leading this market. They're getting sucked along as NASDAQ is improving. NASDAQ had a lousy Friday, though. So, there's bargain hunting there, too. All right. Wing Commander, I bought some Matterport earlier today for $5.85, and I sold a $7.50 October for $105. Taking a leaf out of someone else's book brings down the average price to $4.80. I think that's a great move. I really do. And if you get exercised, you're being taken out for $8.55 from buying at $5.85. Something wrong with doing that deal? Nope, nothing up. Whether you did 100 or 500 shares or 1,000 or 10,000 shares, this is money. This is money. I like it. I like the move. The Dow up 9 points, now up 28 points. Dow can't figure out what to do. Let's go. I'm sure so far we'll sail into the winds until the announcement says 99 nations. Just nuts, just nuts. Duncan, the month almost the same as 1 year. Just crazy out there. We're up now 38 on the Dow Jones, up 7 on S&P, 134 on NASDAQ. We're down to 11 minutes to go. GameStop 118.82 now. Now 119.03. GameStop has officially broken over 119 for the moment. The Dow up 55 on a bit of a wave again, coming in with 10 minutes to go. Right on. Oil up 55 cents at the moment. Okay. Yep, all three indexes have rallied to go green in the final hour of the day. All three have rallied to go green today. The Dow now up 40. Nothing incredible. Nowhere near the 1,000-point loss on Friday. This is just, technical here, but it is notable that the Dow came back. It's now 33,017. It was down to 32,449. So that is 540 points of recovery minimum, if not 570 recovery in an hour and a half. That's serious money. That's a ton of money coming into this market. Up 55 on the Dow right now as of this moment with 9 minutes to go. All right. Okay. Let's see. Let's go. The Dow up 71, another bump. S&P up 15 now. NASDAQ at 169. Cheers, everybody, from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. For the last week and a half, we're getting ready to head to Europe, and we're going to take you along with us. Looking forward to greeting you from over there. Let's try to read the environment over there. Oh. For all of you Meghan Markle fans, sorry, her animated series Pearl has been canceled due to cutbacks. Sorry. I hope that doesn't upset too many of you. The Dow is up 54 points coming into the final 8 minutes. 54 points, final 8 minutes. And GameStop 119.79, attempting 120 again. Might make it, might not. We'll see. All righty. Let's go. It was a normal day in the markets to stay busy writing covered calls, wasn't it? Wasn't it just a field day for writing covered calls today? Absolute field day to make money. Oh, wow. All kinds of gyrations here. We're up 74 on the Dow right at the moment with now 7 minutes left to go until we're done for the day. Oh, no, Meghan Markle. Oh, no. Who's that again? Oh, no. No, not that. You can't be serious. Oh, my. GameStop 120 a share, 119.83. Just popped back down. Carvana up 221 to 60.17. AMC down 11, trying to come back to break even. Matterport up 30. Sextero still down 42. ME up 5.5 cents. Spire up 8. Haycroft Mining still down 10 at 130. Smart Rent down 6.5. Coming back though, it's 479.5, almost $4.80 after bottoming out at 458 today. The all-time low 451. And Pfizer down 74. Hewlett Packard up 36. It's back to $37. Robinhood 1044 up 63. Vanik up 639. Home Depot up 640 to 306. Texas Instruments 173.71. I think 175 is resistance, and 168 seems to be support from what I can gather at the moment on Texas Instruments. I don't think it's going very far from here. IBM up 82 cents. Microsoft up 681. Apple up a nickel. Goldman up $5 at 310.49. So cheap. Cisco up 80 cents at 49.78. Facebook up $10. Amazon down only 4.20. It's about to go green. Amazon is about to turn it around. They got down to 23.67 today. They're now at 24.81. That's $114 bounce back from the low of the day today on Amazon. Just to give you an idea what kind of movement that thing has had today. We're down $2 on Amazon right now. We're up 32 at 903 on Tesla. And $45 gain on Google to 23.46. To Amazon, just went green. It's up 37 cents. So that's adding more fuel to the NASDAQ fire. And sure enough, NASDAQ is up 190 points. S&P up 21. The Dow now up 68. Coming into the final 5 minutes. Option Nomad, Uncle Bruce, if all goes to plan, we'll be in London and France and Italy in November. Looking forward to hearing your travel tips. Right on. And BW, NASDAQ down 21% over the past 6 months and 23% year to date. They want that 25% correction or more. S&P down 11 past 6 months and 13% year to date. As Long Duck Dong would say, what's a happening hot stuff? Oh man, where's my automobile? Says Michael. 99. It's called the Aptera, and they're making them in California. I have no idea what this means. I do not know what to say. We're up 85 on the Dow with 4 or so minutes left to go. This will be up 20. NASDAQ up 194. More buying coming through, spreading out. We're at 119.92 on GameStop at the moment. 119.92, down $5 on the day. All right. Oh gosh. 76 points for the Dow. 4 minutes to go. 76 points gained on the Dow right now, as we're coming through with just a barely over the break-even line when it's all said and done. Credit Savage, who's buying Apple and why? China's in a lockdown. They're literally welding steel plates outside building doors so people can't leave. People are starving and they're kicking tourists out. Hello. You got to wonder if they have a fire in those skyscrapers. What if they had a fire breakout in one of those things with the doors all bolted up and stuff? Can you imagine? Oh gosh, just terrible. I don't know what to make of it. I do not know. 119.86 on GameStop. Yeah, I don't think I want to be going on a holiday right now to China. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't think I'd be wanting to do that right now. No, I think I'll just kind of wave at you. How you doing? Fine. Have a nice day. Yeah, I think I'll go somewhere else. Hmm, hmm. Wow, wow. Okay, the Dow Jones up 69 points. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes. 76 points. 3 minutes. GameStop 119.63. We're hanging around just under 120 right here. Oh boy, up 22 on S&P, up 197 on NASDAQ, oil up 70 cents. That's that. Been watching interest rates all day here, and the currencies. The Dow, the 10-year note for the United States government, 2.9999% right now. So I call that almost 3. And a euro at 105.05, and the British pound 124.90, under $1.25 for the pound, under just around 105 for the euro. Is the euro headed to par? Will the euro and the US dollar be at the same price? That would help my holiday a lot in Europe. So that would be kind of nice if it kept dropping to par. If the pound were to drop another 5 points down to $1.20, that would be kind of nice for my visitation to the UK. I'd appreciate that a lot. Was SSR signed on GameStop? I think so. I thought so. I'm not a Wing Commander. I didn't think it was 112.56, but I thought it was already done. We'll see. We'll see here. If anyone else knows, let me know. The Dow up 71 with a minute to go. All righty. That is the last minute coming in. Larry Titus, I suspect, is getting close to ringing that bell for us as we're up 71 on the Dow. The GameStop's down 541. SoFi's at 630, up 18 cents. That is where SoFi's hanging around. The high today, 633. SoFi is 630 right now. 42.2 million. I figured it would hit 42. 632 on SoFi, just approaching the high today on 42 odd million shares for SoFi. So it looks like SoFi's closing in on its high of the day at the bell. Good. Up 8 on Rocket Lab. The Dow up 85 points. ATIP up a penny. GameStop 119.69 looks like. And we are here. We're at the bell, and I think we're just about done here. There's our man, Larry Titus. The bells have been rung. It's official. We're done here. We're up 86 right now as we're crossing the threshold. The 10-year yield just rose above 3%, says one of the headlines, as we're watching interest rates up 3.003 on the 10-year U.S. Treasury. 3.003 is the official U.S. interest rate at the moment. That will continue to fluctuate. It does 24/7. Well, 24.5 or whatever it is. Euro 105.07. The pound 124.91. These currencies are falling against the strong U.S. dollar. How about that? Duncan, thanks for ringing it too. But Larry, you're on it. I do it. Loving it. Well, we'll see how it all works out. SoFi 633 last trade, up 21 cents on the day. That is the stock even traded at 634 in the last minute. 43.2 million. That's a nice sign. It's good to see a 21 cent gain on SoFi when it's only a $6 stock. That's 3%. Give me 3% every day for 10 straight days in a row, and there'll be a whole bunch of smiling people around here. Rocket Lab 746 up 8. Twitter up 16. Dow Jones up 86. ATIP up a penny. GameStop 119.74. 533 down dip on the day. In the aftermarket, I'm showing GameStop right now at 120 even at the moment. That's what I've seen. No SSR on GameStop, says Richard Carlin. It did not make it to, it probably got to 9.99% down, didn't hit 10. So there's no SSR on GameStop, which means volatility stays in place for tomorrow, unless tomorrow it loses 10% from here. which would bring it down to 108. It would have to get to 108 tomorrow to break the 10% rule. We'll see how this goes. Volatility will still stay in play. That's what we got there. Interesting stuff, you guys. What a session today. Man, did we ever fluctuate all over the place. The Dow was as low as 32,449. Let's call it 32,450. And the high was 33,225. So that's a 750 point range for the Dow today, high to low. The high was set by 10:30 this morning, right around 10:30. And the low was set between 2 and 2:45 today, Eastern time. But from 2 o'clock Eastern until the bell at 4, we came back a huge number. This is 550 and 80, 630 points was recovered by the Dow in the last hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, that's big money. That is a lot of money in a relatively short period of time. But this is showing you the volatility out there. I think it's thin volumes. I don't think we're trading with heavy volumes right now. And so there's a lot of people asking the questions you're asking me. Well, how low can this market go? Why is it doing this? What's causing it? What will turn it around? And on and on and on we go. 112.56 was what we had to hit for GameStop's low of the day to hit the 10% drop. And we reached only 112.70, 14 cents away from being low enough to be SSR, says Richard. Right on. Thank you. We'll see what's going on. Credits average. Oh, no. Another red day. I guess I'll just leave my puts out there, just siphoning the life out of some stocks. Care Bear unit. There you go. Robert, my average on SoFi, 1078. Let's roll, baby. Let's go. Vilbus, got my Friday GameStop 130 back on a stink bid that should have been stinkier. I wrote a new Friday 130 on the run back to 120. Going to do the same tomorrow. Well, Vilbus, you're getting smarter. You're getting way more comfortable at this. I love it. Beautifully executed, sir. You keep it going, man. You are beginning to become comfortable with how this is working. And this is the secret to option writing. You just get disciplined and you let the stock tell you what to do. And the stock went down, you bought the calls back. Stock went up, you wrote them again. It's as simple as that. Well done, everybody out there on this channel. Hope a whole bunch of you made a bunch of money today, and we'll do the same tomorrow. We'll see how the markets want to work for us, and we'll be more than happy to enjoy some additional gains in our bank accounts. Yes, I do find it interesting to see headlines that say the S&P has had its worst opening to the year, first 4 months since 1938. It's never been this bad. And all these sensational headlines. I mean, sensational headlines. The reality is, if you're an option writer, you've never had it better. You've never had it easier to write a call, buy it back, write a call, buy it back. Whether it's 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, profits are being handed left, right, and center, back and forth here. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And I say, hey, way to go, you guys. Take the money if they're going to hand it to you. I mean, why not? These gamblers are the ones taking all the risks, hoping for the mother of all short squeezes or a great big bump or whatever they're looking for. And all you got to do is just accommodate them by allowing them to give you their money by selling call options. Well done, each and every one. You gotta love it. Neat stuff. Very neat stuff. Okay. If you're around tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern, 8 o'clock Eastern, you can join me on my other channel, Traveling with Bruce. We'll be talking about the trip coming up, and we'll be talking about cruise ship news and travel news. 7 o'clock for sponsor members, 8 o'clock for the public at large on TWB, Traveling with Bruce. Come on over there anytime you like, if you'd like to see us. Love to have you. In the meantime, I'm going to say my good nights from here. Get a little rest between my next 2 shows so I could finish my 5 live broadcasts today and take it from there. If any of you would like to join us for our class this weekend, let me know. Send me an email or make a donation, and we'll get you registered into the class for this Saturday, 2 o'clock Eastern time. The secret of stink bids, stink offers, how to execute them, and also understanding the psychology of the market. You have got to be smarter, or you've got to at least, you got to be inside the head of your opponent when you're in this market as an option writer. You're an assassin. You're picking off the victims one after the other and scoring some nice cash. It helps to be thinking, understanding what they're thinking about. You have to be in their minds, in their heads. You've got to understand when the right moment is to sell your contract and at what price, and then when to buy it back at what price. And there is a lot of nuances to this. We'll cover as much as we can on Saturday, 2 o'clock Eastern time, May the 7th, this Saturday. Jen will be the moderator, and I look forward to seeing you. Guys, in the meantime, have a wonderful day and a wonderful evening. Take care, everybody. Mama, babe, Duncan. Thank you, guys. Thanks, Duncan, for putting out the shout-outs for us. Don't forget, kids, become Gold Bagel members. I'll see you guys, you Gold Bagel people. I'll see you before 8:30 in the morning tomorrow with a trade update. And everyone else, we'll catch you at 8:30, 1 hour before the opening. We'll be here, and we'll follow these markets to see what they're going to give us and what they want and what we can get out of them. And we'll play it from there. All right, guys, all the best. Thank you for the thumbs ups. Looks like that poll question, we're not going down 500 points today. I guess not. Okay, guys, thank you, everybody. We'll catch you tomorrow morning. And you guys take care. 145 thumbs ups and counting. If you're watching on the rerun, hit those thumbs ups button for us. Hit them hard. Thank you, guys. You take care. See you later. See you, John. We'll catch you guys shortly tomorrow morning, of course. And Options Nomads, thank you. Hasta mañana. That's right. Okay, guys. Bye for now.